In this session, we're going to be looking at coordinates. So this consists of writing coordinates, midpoints of line segments, vertical and horizontal lines. We do encourage you to have a go at the quizzes, get involved with our community, and also look for group sessions as well. So in the first part, we're looking at coordinates, writing the coordinates, midpoint of the line segment, vertical and horizontal lines, and looking at examples as we go through. So, writing coordinates, we use coordinates to describe a position of a point on a grid. Here we have point A. So for example, if we've got A on our grid, we describe it by a point. So we have an x-axis and a y. So we can say along the corridor, we can go along our corridor, up the stairs, and this makes it 3. This makes it 1 to 3 because we've got 1 along, 3 up. So this is our x coordinate and this is our y. So this is our x and this is our y. Very similar to when you do battleships as well. Really good game to play to get used to coordinates. So, writing coordinates, on a grid we have the x-axis, which runs horizontally, and the y-axis. We write it in the form of x, y. So for example, for the last one, it was 1 coordinate up, and along, and 3 coordinates up. So we write this as 1, 3. Need any help with this? Please do not hesitate to reach out. So here we've got the coordinates of B are -3 and -2. Because here we've got B, so we've got -3 on the x-axis, -2 on the y-axis. We do encourage you to have a go at this on the quiz as practice, getting the order correct. So let's have a look at these. So write down the coordinate of point A. So here we've got 1, 2, 3 along the corridor. So we either go along the corridor, up or down the stairs. So left or right, then up and down. That's one way we can remember it first. For x, so that's 3, and then that's 2 up for y. Do pause, have a go at this one. If you haven't had a go, we're going to reveal the answer now. So we go along the corridor 3, we go down the stairs 3, so we've got 3 and -3. So write down the coordinates of point C. So we've got C here, we go along the corridor backwards to -2, and then we go up the stairs 3. If you're still not understanding this, please do reach out to us. We're here to support you. Do have a go at the quizzes to make sure you understand this fully. So here in this video, we're looking at finding the midpoint of a line. So if we have a line here, A to B, we're looking to find the midpoint. So in a lot of cases, we can visually see what the midpoint is. So we know here that we've got 2 squares down, up, or down, and we've got 6 squares along here. So we need to get the middle of both, so 3 squares along, 2 squares up. And that gets us to 0, 2. Another way we can look at this is we find the midpoint of the line by counting how far along the x-axis. So 6, then 2, and then we divide it to get the average of that. That's really important. And then we know the midpoint is 3 along and 2 down from A. So it's getting the middle between the middle of A and B when we get the midpoint. We can also do that by averages of coordinates as well. So let's have a look at how we do it with this one, with an average of all the methods. So we can look at the line from A to B, 6 along, 2 along. So that gives us -2 and 0, because we can see that's in the middle. Another way we can look at it is looking at coordinate A. So we've got -3 and 3. Then here we've got -1 and -3. So we've got -1 and -3. So what's critical here is we have the x coordinates and the y coordinates. So this is just x coordinate 1, this is x. So we get the average of this. If you don't understand how to get the average of this, please do look at our averages video on how we find the mean. So x -3 plus -1 divided by 2, which gives us -4 divided by 2, which gives us -2. So that's our x coordinate. For our y coordinate, we need to do the same. 3 plus -3. So 3 plus -3 is 0. Over 2 gives us 0. So our coordinate is -2, 0, as can be seen visually there. Or we can count along. So we've got 2 along. We half that to move 1 along. And we can also as well count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 along, so that means we have to go 3 down from there. If you do have trouble with this, any of the methods, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Now we're looking at vertical and horizontal lines. So this is looking at what the equations of the lines are. So this line here, if you notice, each and every point of our horizontal line is going through here. And what's common to this? Do stop and have a think for a minute. What's common to each of these points? So, if you didn't notice, that's okay. Y is always 2. So here we take -4, 2, -3, 2, -1, 2, 0, 2. So y is always 2. So this then equates to y equals 2. So the horizontal line runs through all the points of y is 2. Every point has the coordinate y of 2. So each point would be 0, 2, 1, 2. We'd keep going. But y is always 2. That's what's common to this. Now we're going to have a look at vertical and horizontal lines. So if we have x equals -3, then we've got this here, because each of our x coordinates is equal to -3. So x is -3. If we do x is equal to 1, this I don't have a straight line tool to draw on here, the best I can. So that's x is equal to 1. And here we've got y equals 1, because each of the y coordinates. And we keep on going. Let's have a look at some more examples. If you're not quite understanding this, do reach out to our community. We are here to support you all the way. So, find the equation of lines. So, we need to find the equation of these lines here. So, as you can see, each of the coordinates for this one is -3. But where is that -3? Do pause, have a think. So, we've got y equals -3. What are all of our coordinates here? What is common? So x is -4. And that is the equation of our lines. Another one that I wanted to quickly show you was y equals x, that we sometimes need to know. So y equals x is a straight diagonal line. Do please use a ruler and a pencil when you do these on paper. So this is where y is equal to x. So when y is equal to x, all of our points here, we've got 1. When y is 1, x is 1. When x is 2, y is 2. When x is 3, y is 3. When y is 4, x is 4, and so on. Minus is included when x is -1, y is -1, and we keep going. Do have a go at the quiz as well. Make sure you fully understand this. Do reach out to our community as well. And we are going to run group session workshops also to make sure you understand this fully. Thanks for watching and have a great day.